Alright, here we have a Jaguar key, and this one is actually really cool. So on the side here, you'll see a tiny little arrow that indicates that you press this part up. So now you can see that I've pressed it up. That actually will pop off, which reveals this little key right here. So you actually slide that out, and then up here, right there, it shows you where you will put this little key. So you put it inside there, then you'll twist it, pops the key open, and that reveals your battery. Then you just slide it out of here. It is a 2032 like most car batteries or remote batteries. So once you have your new battery, it's pretty easy. You just slide it back in. Then you have to put the key back in here the way you had it. So this is like your emergency key as well. So you have that, I guess, for your door on the outside of the car in case you in case the remote dies and you need to get into the car. So that's what that is for. Put that back on. Pop your casing back together. And then you will, the arrow is right there. You have to just kind of mess with it. Just think that goes at the bottom. Alright, and I had to make sure the key is lined up just on the edge there. And then the arrow will be on the bottom when you line it back up. You will press it back down into place. Whoops. Press it back down, and there you have it. Alright, thank you for watching. That was a Jaguar key, and I know Land Rover, Range Rover use these keys as well.